Which building materials do we use to construct this building? What do those building materials consist of? What is emitted when those materials are processed? How are the workers affected? What is emitted when the building is used?
A training session for craftsmen. The topic is sustainable building. Expert planners inform which materials, pieces of advice and databases are used in order to guide construction sites.
Beim nachhaltigen Bauen ist der richtige Material.
If you build sustainably, the use of the right materials is especially important. These materials affect the ecological footprint the building has on the environment. The use of materials also concerns the quality that is achieved in the building. In addition, it determines the degree of living quality and healthiness of the building environment. Here, the construction worker is especially important. He serves as an interface between planning and implementation.
For the renovation project House of the Child in Lech, this means ecological choice of material and energy-efficient building technology according to the most modern standards.
This is
a special challenge from our role as general contractors to show the workers which building materials with which emissions may be used. Concerning former building contracts, I am convinced that we often used materials that met the ecological criteria, even though those projects were not tendered sustainably.
The window constructor Klaus Schwarzmann from the Bregenzer Wald also pays attention his products are manufactured ecologically and sustainably.
Since we make our windows out of wood, the basic product is very ecological already. Therefore, for the other components, it is no problem for us to buy ecological materials as well. This is mainly about sheet materials, paints, and insulation profiles, and those have been on the market for some time now.
Still, the switch to sustainable construction and products was a challenge within two areas.
It was about adhesive and sealing materials. Here the supply on the market is still not comprehensive. It was also not easy to find materials that are both ecological and fulfill the requirements we need for adhesion and processing. Another aspect that might cause problems is surface treatments. Here it is often easier to use products that contain solvents which dry easily. Ecological products, however, do not contain solvents and are therefore more difficult to use properly.
For insulation, Schwarzmann uses sheep wool.
You get a natural product of very high quality. It is a product that otherwise does not really find a ready market. Here, it can be used effectively. Its quality is not inferior to the quality of other products.
The choice of building materials also affects the workers on the building site. For example, when using PU foam, toxic substances are emitted.
PU foam includes isocyanides. These isocyanides are suspected of being carcinogenic. If the worker uses PU foam, those isocyanides are emitted when the foam is left to set. In the end, only rest material of this isocyanide is left. This concentration level is actually not a problem, but when the PU foam is left to set, the worker gets the whole dose.
When you build sustainably, you don't only concentrate on the use of the building, but on the whole life cycle of the building. This know-how is future-proof, innovative and sustainable.